All right, it's Mr. Johnson again with more vocabulary skills for you. Today we're doing U.1, analogies. So, an analogy is a comparison between two things. It usually shows how things are related to one another. All right, so that's what an analogy is. So it's a comparison between two things. It usually shows how they're related. So as you notice, I have my IXL screen and I have my notes screen. What we're going to do today is break down some of the analogies IXL gives us so we can complete this skill. So as you know, like I always do, I'm going to take some notes here on my right side while I work through the IXL on my left. So let's first read. Complete the analogy. Sleepy is to exhausted as old is to blank. All right. So sleepy equals exhausted. We need old equals what? And I have two options. So I have option A, ancient, and option B, young. All right. So I'm trying to figure out this part right here. So sleepy to exhausted. All right. Here's my first example, sleepy to exhausted. So I know sleepy equals I am tired. And exhausted means I am so tired I can't stay awake. So this is like a little, and this is much more. So sleepy's a little bit, exhausted's the extreme. So now I have old. Old equals something many years old. Now, just like sleepy is a little and exhausted is a lot, I need to do the same thing with my answers here. So I have old, all right, so that's a little, right? I'm a little bit old. Now, which one of these is a lot? So this is a little, which one's a lot? Ancient equals very, very, very old. Young is the opposite of old. Well, I'm showing how things are related. So I have old and ancient or old and young. Well, these would be opposites. I know that it can't be young. So I'm going to go with ancient. So I'm going to go over here to IXL, click ancient. Hey, look at that. So let's try another one just so we can make sure we're getting this correct. All right, so again, analogy is a comparison. Chess is to game as joy is to So chess equals game. All right, chess to game. So I know chess equals one type hello, of game, and game could be a lot of different types. All right, so chess. So this means chess is one part of game. So see, chess is just one type of game. So now let's look at what the question I'm trying to answer is. They have joy. All right, so joy is to what? What are my options? I have happy, then I have emotion. Hello, I have emotion. So joy is just one emotion. Happy, joy and happy are both just types of emotion. So I want a piece of a whole, like game would be the whole. So now that I look, I see happy is one type of feeling, and I know emotion is all of, or is many types of feeling. So chess is one, and it's part of a bigger group, which we call game. Just like joy is, that's right, an emotion, because joy is one type of many emotions. See how we compare them? It's the same the comparison we're doing for both. One part of a bigger whole. Joy is one part of a bigger whole, which is emotion. So we're going to choose emotion because just like chess is one part of many games, joy is one part of many emotions. Look at that. All right. Again, we'll do one more just so we make sure we have this clear in our heads. So we have lightning is the thunder, okay? And then we'll have fire equals, and we have match or smoke as our options. So let's look at this one. Lightning is to thunder. So I know that lightning produces thunder. So then down here, I need to see what is something that fire can produce? Because remember, it's an analogy. I want the same relationship, the same comparison. Lightning produces thunder. So that's why lightning equals thunder, right? So what does fire produce? Does fire produce a match? No. A match produces fire. So what about smoke? Smoke is produced by something burning. So I want lightning is the thunder. So lightning made thunder. What does fire make? And the correct answer is definitely smoke. So let's try smoke. Whoa. Let's try smoke. Boom. Perfect. So use my notes just like I did. Your key steps to completing this skill are look at the relationship between the words. So you're going to look at your relationship between the words. Figure out how they are related. So are they the same? One makes the other. They are opposites. So once you find out how they're related, you will pick the answer that shows the same relationship. All right. Just like we did in my examples, use these key steps to help you as you figure out as you go through. Remember, take your time, look at the relationship between the words, figure out how they are related, and then pick the answer that shows the same relationship. All right, I know you're going to kill this skill. Good luck.